Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a personal bankruptcy attorney here in Atlanta. And today I'd like to talk to you about funding of your Chapter 13 case. I happened to be in bankruptcy court today, and I was at a call of a calendar with one of the judges, and basically it was a confirmation calendar. And as the judge called out, or the clerk of court called out the cases, something jumped out at me, and that is that all the cases that were being dismissed were being dismissed because of funding problems, meaning that somebody had filed Chapter 13 but did not pay enough money into the trustee. One thing that sometimes people get confused about, I don't really know why, but they do, that is when you file Chapter 13, your obligation, your requirement to start paying the trustee begins immediately. It doesn't start after the case is approved, doesn't start after the 341 hearing, it starts right away. So as soon as you file Chapter 13, your attorney is going to probably file a payroll deduction order if you're working for a company, but if the payroll deduction order is not applicable or it's not filed, you've got to make payments. And I tell my clients, go ahead and send in some money right away so that your case has funding in it, because the last thing you want to be faced with is everything is working in your Chapter 13 except that you are one payment short. And if your payment is $750, you're going to be asked to come up with $750 in a day or two. It's probably not going to happen. So get ahead of the game. Make an extra payment, make an extra half a payment, whatever you can do. Send it to the trustee so that you will not have a funding problem, so that when your case comes up for confirmation, that will not be the issue. Almost every other issue we can work with, we can solve, we can get extra time on. Funding is the one thing that we can't solve. You have to take care of that. So if you can do anything at all to make a payment to the trustee early on, the first week of your case, the first 2 weeks of your case, go ahead and do that. Get the funding taken care of. That's really the most important thing you can do in your Chapter 13 case, and I strongly encourage you to do that. Hope you found this helpful. If you did find it useful, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and a like on Facebook. Let me know if you have any questions. Send me comments. Happy to hear from you in any way I can. And let me know again if I can do anything for you. Again, Jonathan Ginsberg here, and I'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks a lot.